Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I have a ZARA try-on haul and I only have dresses. I have 5 dresses and I think these dresses are perfect for the upcoming holidays. If you're thinking to buy for Thanksgiving or for Christmas, I think that I got you. Alright, let's get started. The first dress that I want to show you, and I don't know what is happening to me, but I have all the animal print vibes at this maximal potential. I have a leopard dress. This dress has shoulder pads. It has this rush detail here at the waist, and the fabric looks like a light corduroy. The sleeves have this rush detail here, and it has the same detail here at the waist. This dress doesn't have any lining. It has a zipper at the back for its closure. I chose size large on this dress because I saw that the size small had a little bit narrow here at the hip section, and I'm a little concerned that my hips are not gonna fit on this type of dress. This dress cost me $39.90 and I already told you I chose size large, and let's see how this fits. The dress is on, and remember, this one is size large, okay? Saying that, you can see that the top part of this dress is pretty loose. Yes, it's pretty loose. Look at this neckline. My neck is swimming there. Woo! Yeah. So that's the first thing. It has really nice shoulder pads. I really like the shoulder pads. And I like the corduroy feel that the fabric has. Yep, I like that. However, I don't like the sleeves. Since they have this rush detail, that makes the sleeves feel like a 3/4 sleeve, and I don't like 3/4 sleeves. I don't like them. Give me a full length sleeve or a short sleeve. I don't like 3/4 sleeve. What are your thoughts? Do you like 3/4 sleeves? Let me know, because I don't like them. Honestly. It's nice that this dress has this rush detail here at the waist. However, it's not working for me because the hips are pretty narrow. My hips barely fit on this dress. Size large is good for my hips, but it's not good for my top of my body. Okay. Yes. So unfortunately, this dress is not working for me at all. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add the dimensions of this dress on the description box below, so you have that as a reference, okay? And I'm gonna add the sizes of the items that I am featuring here. So that will help you to take that data as a reference, okay? All right, deal. So unfortunately, I need to send this back because this dress is not working for me at all. And look at this. It looks really cute with black tights and my Bottega Veneta. But yeah, this is not working. In an effort to make it work, I add a belt just to see if that looks better. I think it looks better. I think it looks better, but I still have, you know, the neckline situation, right? I prefer to be a little bit tight here. Okay. Before I continue with this ZARA try-on haul of dresses, I'm gonna ask you to follow me on my Instagram. Yes, I post daily photos of my outfits with the items that I show you here as part of my YouTube videos. And on top of that, I'm very active on my stories. And on top of that, I respond to DMs faster there because I have a daily interaction with you. The next dress that I have is a slip dress. And of course, that is on my favorite color. I don't know if ZARA has other colors. This one is the one that I saw at the store. The slip dress is a classic one, right? Because you can be wearing this all the year around. And it's a really good idea to have a slip dress for the upcoming holidays because they're really easy to style. You can pair any kind of shoe with these type of dresses. Like honestly, they look really cute with combat boots, with flip-flops, with sneakers, with like high heels, you name it. So it's depending on the occasion, but these type of dresses are super versatile. This one that I choose is size extra small, I believe. Yes, size extra small, and the price is $25.99. All right, so let's see how this fits. Slip dress on, and I love it, guys. I think it's very delicate and it looks very, very elegant. It's a must, guys. This one, you cannot just skip it. It's so good because sleep dresses, you can pair them with like everything. With combat boots, you can wear them with sneakers, and it's a very versatile piece. And on top of that, you can just wear this as a maxi skirt. I mean, just leave the dress like this and put on a chunky sweater on top of your sleep dress, and that looks really cute because it looks like you're wearing a maxi skirt. I am pairing it very simple, and it's a simple way to, you know, if you have nothing to wear, grab your sleeve dress and go to that dinner or go to that holiday party like this, and you will look really formal and put together. So I'm pairing it with high heels and this Gucci bag that I'm just wearing it as a clutch, and looks very elegant and very sophisticated. Yes, simple dress, but it's just something about sleep dresses that they look really elegant. I forgot to tell you about the citrus situation with this dress. No citrus situation. Despite this dress doesn't have any lining, I think the fabric is thick enough to cover, and yes, you don't have any citrus situation here. The next dress that I have, I think that is one of my favorites from this haul, and I don't know how it fits yet. I'm talking about this dress that it has this floral design. The print of this dress is just gorgeous, guys. And the fabric is sheer. Okay, so you can see that it's very sheer and see-through. However, the print of the dress is so cute. It has these bottoms that are like a simple black bottoms. As a closure, it has this back zipper. I'm just seeing that it has a hole here at the front. I didn't see that when I was buying this dress. And I like the design because it has this detail here that is going to accentuate the waist. I don't think that we can appreciate the design looking the dress like this. That's why I'm going to try it on. But before that, I want to tell you this dress is $69.90 and the size that I bought is extra small. Alright, let's try it on. The dress is on and is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So far, this one is my favorite one. Yes, it's very flattering, and it has this design, right, that just accentuates the waist even more. I was thinking that since it doesn't have any lining here at the top, was going to be like very see-through. No, it seems that, you know, just the bra is doing its job, and it's not a problem at all. You can see that the sleeves are pretty sheer, however, they look fine, and here the bra situation looks really good. The bottom of the skirt is a little bit narrow, okay, however, my hips fit, so that's a good thing. A con of this dress, now that I'm wearing it, is that it has a lot of, you know, static. Yes, so I think that I need to wear a slip underneath just to avoid the static situation. Look, you can see that it's just sticking to my skin. Yep, that's a problem. But yes, I think that you need to wear a slip underneath, and that problem can be fixed. I'm pairing this dress with these tall boots from Mango. I am wearing these boots so much this fall. You have no idea. I think that you have the idea because I always wear them as part of my videos. I think they look awesome with this kind of, you know, midi dresses. And yes, this one is the perfect look for this fall. This dress is a winner. And this, you know, cutout that the dress has is not that revealing. It's just a little bit of something there, but you're not showing your cleavage like really bad. Okay, so no, it's not that bad. It's a beautiful dress. So this one is a keeper, and I highly recommend it. The next piece that I have is not that very festive. However, it's a piece that, you know, after the holidays, you can be wearing and wearing again and again because it's pretty versatile. And I'm talking about the shirt dress. This one is super over loose, guys. This one is size extra small, and look at this. I can cover the camera because it's very, very over loose. I like this one because the length is kind of like a midi dress, and I love the button down design, right? It's a simple button down shirt dress with over loose design. That's it. That's all what it is, like pretty much. This one is size extra small. I already told you that. The price is $35.90, and let's see how this fits. Shirt dress is on, and despite I love it and I really want that this work for me, it's not working for me. Yes. Okay, so I am pairing it with this belt. Well, it's not a belt, it's the strap of the back of the Prada bag, and it looks really cool because it has this little pocket. So that's one of the reasons that I love this bag so much, because I can wear the strap like as a belt, right? Okay, so saying that, back to the dress. This shirt dress is very, very see-through, guys. You can see the sleeve, right? Yes, it's very see-through. And obviously I'm pairing it with black tights and Bottega Veneta boots, and it looks really, really cool like this. I love it, but unfortunately it's not working for me because it's very, very see-through, and it's not working with the sleeve that I have. Look at this. Because it has this slip here on the sides, right? And you can see my slip underneath. So it's very difficult to style, unless that you just don't care, right? And you just wear this without a slip. Not for me. Not for me. Or maybe I can wear a shorter slip. That's an option. That's an option, right? A slip that just goes like this, but then you're gonna see where my slip ends, right? And you're gonna have this section that is like kind of see-through. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's raining right now. Ignore the rain. So unfortunately, I need to return this dress. Yes, I really want to make it work, but it's not working. It's not working. And last but not least, I have a beautiful dark brown dress with golden bottoms. Look at this. So beautiful. I don't like that it has this type of thing. Oh my gosh, is this, does it have a hole? Oh my god, it's ripped. Look at this. Look at this, it has a hole. Okay, so I definitely need to return this one. Look, I'm not gonna even, you know, put my finger there because I'm just going to make this hole bigger. That's unfortunate. It's a very cute dress. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with the review, but yeah, no bueno. Okay, but let's see how this fits, right? I love the ruffle details of this dress, and it looks very see-through. The top bottom of this dress doesn't have any lining. The bottom has a lining. It has this pleated detail, you know, on the dress that is so beautiful, and it has these puffy sheer sleeves. Look at these bottoms. That's unfortunate that this one has a hole, right? Because it's a beautiful dress. This one that I bought is size extra small. The price is $69.90, and let's see how this fits. Dress is on, and it's really unfortunate that this dress is defective. It has a hole here on the shoulder, therefore I need to exchange it, and hopefully they have my size, because this one is a keeper, guys. It's so gorgeous. I love, you know, the detail that this dress has, and it has this romantic Victorian style that I am obsessed with that. Okay, so it has this ruffle detail. It has this pleated design here and pleated here at the bottom, and it has this elastic to accentuate your waist. It's a pullover, and I highly recommend that you do your hair after the dress is on. Yes, because it's a pullover, and this one is pretty narrow, and yes, my hair was like right. I was like, oh my gosh, all right, well, I need to do it again. And that's what I did. It has these golden bottoms that are so cute, and I think that adds a little bit of touch of elegance to this dress, and it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous dress. This one is size extra small. It fits like a glove, and yeah, I'm gonna try and see if they have my size and exchange this one. So that concludes my Zara try-on haul of dresses. Hopefully you like it. Please let me know which item was your favorite one. My favorite one was the floral midi dress and the dark chocolate one. It's unfortunate that it has a hole right on the shoulder. I'm gonna try to see if I can exchange it, and if not, well, I need to return it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive notifications every time that I post a new video. And please continue watching hauls here. I'll see you there. Bye bye.